Hi, it's Susanna from Piggy Makes Bank, and I thought today we could talk a little bit about the benefits of using PLR content to create and run a membership. So Tracy and I have run memberships for ages. I think I started my first membership website back in 2006, and I think Tracy came behind just shortly a few years after that. And we have had membership sites in one way, shape, or form almost this entire time. And if you are one of our customers, you know that we have several PLR memberships now at Piggy Makes Bank. There's a couple of reasons for that. So I thought we could quickly run through some of the benefits that a membership provides, both for you as the content creator and online business owner, but also for your customers, because it's really one of these win-win situations. So the main reason that we love memberships as online business owners is for the recurring income. It's a good feeling to know that no matter what happens, there's going to be enough money in the bank to pay the mortgage and put groceries on the table. So it gives you that nice steady income, so you don't have to hustle all month. You don't have to worry about what if a particular launch doesn't go well. You have your basic expenses covered, and then you can focus on everything else from there on out. It's also nice because you don't always have to feel like you have to sell. Yes, with a membership, you do have to put some time and effort into marketing and getting new members in the door, but it's not all day, every day, like what you do after you've created a major product, that type of thing. But that marketing takes time, as does the content creation, which is the second reason why we like memberships and why we like using PLR for the membership, because it gives you a leg up. It makes it easy, you know, especially if you are subscribed to a PLR membership where you have the same type of content coming in month after month. You have the bare bones or the basics for your membership content already there and waiting for you. So you never have to worry about what you're going to talk about this month, what you're going to cover, what you're going to share with your members. So that's really the biggest benefit of using PLR content, aside from it being a huge time saver as well. And frankly, it's a lot less expensive than hiring somebody to write or create content for you for your membership as well. It frees you up to do other things, to engage with your members, to engage with your target audience, and hopefully drive new members into the membership site and all that good stuff. Now let's talk about your members, your customers. What is in it for them? Why would they be interested in the membership site? Not only have I been a provider of memberships, I'm also a customer or a consumer of memberships, and I'm sure you are as well. It could be for online learning resources, it could be online subscriptions, it could be really, if you think about it, you know, your Netflix, Hulu, or whatever membership is at its core a content membership. And the nice thing is that it's there for you, ready and waiting when you're ready to consume it. You don't have to go out there and find something every time you want to sit down and learn something. That's really a big benefit, as well as, you know, just having that continued education if we're talking about an online learning resource. You know, you might learn some things as a consumer or customer of a membership website. You might learn something that you never thought to go and search out on your own. Plus, often there's a lot of community built around it. You find like-minded business owners or like-minded yoga fans or like-minded parents, whatever the membership is built around, that you connect with and kind of talk about the topics that are covered in the membership. So there's a lot of benefits to it, and I hope you seriously consider creating a membership of your own. If you'd like, we of course invite you to use some PLR content for it to make it quick and easy. And I thought I'd finish out this video today with a little bonus tip, and that is, before you start your membership, or if you're already running a membership, make some time to get to this point to where you are at least 2 or 3 months ahead of the content that you're publishing in a given month. So in December, make sure you're already working on February or March content. It gives you a buffer and it makes running a membership site so much less stressful because you have that cushion. You know, no matter what happens and life happens, we get sick, we have family emergencies, anything could happen. Maybe even just your internet goes out for a week. No matter what happens, you know you have that cushion and you have the content ready to get to your members and you don't feel like you have to scramble. Anytime I haven't done this and haven't listened to my own advice, I have deeply regretted it. So I hope you will take that to heart as well. And as always, I hope you found this helpful. If you're currently running a membership, please let me know about it in the comments below. And also, if you'd like, share if you use PLR content as part of your membership content or not. If you don't want to share that, that's fine too. And as always, I would love a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. And again, I invite you to subscribe to our channel if you're not already a subscriber. That's it from me, and I'll be back with another tip for you soon.